I hope this going. I hope you enjoy this cool vibe that I'm in right now. And I love this song. Oh. You know what it is? It is. Tell me. You know what I do love? I do. I do love women. How you guys doing? Fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're discoing. This is a GDX brief, and I'm still bearish on GDX. Hope for the best so far. I don't know the future, but I think there will be more price destruction. Hopefully, a shallow one. Beautiful. This is the USD DXY, the USD DXY, and we see we are in bullish formation when it comes to the moving averages at 10 over 20, 50 over 200, and we have a golden cross since 21st of September, and the price exploded to the upside. Usually, you will have dibble buyers coming in all the time. If you have this bullish formation, usually that means the buyers are always in, and it's always very bullish, and it's easier to make money right now, especially if the stochastic is over 80 right here. It's still over 80 right now, even though it's gonna dip below 80 in on Monday. But if it goes back up again, watch out, like what happened here. Okay, even though this is a bearish candle, yet we're waiting for a reversal. Now we still have an extremely high, and I think we made it all over the highest high in 2023 on Thursday. Okay, so it's still very bullish, and it's not going to be good for GDX. All right, the weekly time frame, we're still in a bullish breakout of this thing, and if we close over 105.87, we will confirm the 1 2 3 reversal with a breakout, and also a bullish disco combo where you have the RSI over 50, and every time this happens, it's like a new bull market for the dollar. And if it goes below that, bear market for the dollar. The first time this happened was 2021, and a monstrous move. And before that, it was the sideways movement 2018, 2019, until the bear market, then boom. Okay, so even bullish actions in the weekly time frame. All right, the VIX in the daily time frame, you're still doing the 1 2 3 reversal. We tested this breakout point, and we had a successful throwback, and we're still in breakout mode of this bullish wedge, and the indicators are in bullish formation and a bullish disco combo, and the MACD is in bullish mode. Usually nothing good happens for GDX when this thing is in bullish mode, and usually when you get bullish for the last 10 working days, usually you will have a kiss formation, and up we go, like you dip below in the stochastic, then up we go like we have here. So you had a kiss and a more violent one. Kiss, violent one. Kiss, violent one. Violent move. Capiche? So that implies another retracement in GDX. Okay, the VIX in the weekly time frame still all godly. Now we have the kiss in the weekly time frame, and usually this takes at least 3 weeks. So we're not going to be happy for that, at least for next week for GDX. Also for the equity market, because the VIX, I think the VIX might hit 20 by next week. So it's not maybe for another 15% for easily the next for the first week of October. So the VIX in the daily and weekly not boding well for GDX. Okay, so this is GDX price action, and I tweeted about this bearish crossover uh, in the daily time frame for GDX and for the 100 and 200 day moving average, and that what happened. And very few people saw my tweet because I don't have that many followers. Like I don't have followers here either. But I wish it was circulated at that time, because at the time of the bearish crossover, the closing price was 29.71 for GDX, and now it's 26.91. So I hope it was circulated more so people will save the pain and the price destruction and the wealth destruction of that bad move in GDX. This is GDX in the daily time frame, my Ilya wave count, and it was really, really, really good since the start. I hit it right in the nail. I was lucky at this time. I usually am not very lucky with Ilya, but I got lucky really, really good this time. So we had an X in 5 waves down, concluded A. I hope this is one. That's my hope. It's one. It might not be one, the big one. Maybe, I don't know. Let me just focus on this one. I don't care about this thing, but hopefully it's 1 and 2, 3. 3 is going to start soon, hopefully. So 5 waves down, A, 1, 2, 3, 3 moves, B. So it implies A, B, C. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, C. So supposedly we have the last bear leg of the C wave. Then we're gonna conclude this C wave, and I think the C wave might conclude at 25.64. I got this by the difference between this up move and this down move, and the breakdown will give us 1-to-1 measured move 25.64. And also right here, if you put the low of July, and if you start the extension from the low of July to the high of August, late August, or maybe early September, you would have 25.46 as the 162 Fibonacci extension. So 25.40, 25.64, 46 right here. So it's very close. So hopefully 25.64, 46 is the bottom for GDX. Please like if you like, share, subscribe. If you want this material to continue, please do remember, disco is forever.